Hi everyone, and welcome to our math lesson. Now for this math lesson, you could have done your Friday cooking and you could have made some lovely domino biscuits. Now what I've done is I've just put these little stars on because I didn't have any M&Ms or little Smarties, so that's what I've done. However, if you want to use some sprinkles or some chocolate buttons like the little ones, you can do that as well, or you can make your dominoes slightly larger than my ones. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to do a couple different activities in just a moment. Alright, so what I love about dominoes is that they have representations of numbers on it, and that's what we've been learning about this week, haven't we? Now, what we're going to do is, you see here, I've got how many stars here? 1, 2, 3. And then how many stars do I have here? 1, 2, 3. I've got 3. Now, last week we were talking about counting 2 groups of objects and how many are all together. Now, that's what's so great about dominoes, is that you have 2 groups of dots or chocolate stars like I've done, or Smarties that you can count. So now I know there's 3 here and 3 here. I'm going to count them all together, but I'm going to put them right here on my mat. Now let's see how many I have all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 stars all together. Now you could do that with a couple of different biscuits as well. And you just keep counting, finding out how many are all together. So on this side, I've got 1, 2, and I've got 1 here. All together, I have 1, 2, 3. I've got 3 stars all together on my domino biscuits. Now, another thing you could do with the domino biscuits is you can try to get your child to match the numbers or the groupings together, just like you would do in a dominoes game. So if I took this one, here we go. So let's see, how many have I got here? I've got 1, 2 stars there. So what I could do is I could match them like that by putting them next to each other like that. So I've got 2 here and 2 here. And then you could ask, could you find a match for this one? And get them the count. 1, 2, 3. So you need to find a match to that one. And we have this here. And we can match it. Because there's 1, 2, 3 here. And 1, 2, 3 here. And you can do it again if you'd like. Give them a biscuit and see if they could find a match. So we've got 1 here. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 there. So you ask, can you find the match for one of these? And your child can look around and see what they could match. They might be able to notice it that way, just like that. Now, what's even better about these dominoes is that you can have a tasty treat after you finish doing your learning. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope that you have a lovely rest of your day. Take care.